Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. So I am Nina Safina Rajana Abitin CA20087. Today I'm going to explain about Border Gateway Protocol. So what is Border Gateway Protocol? Border Gateway Protocol, or we call it as BGP, is the postal service of the internet. When someone drops a letter into a mailbox, the postal service processes that piece of mail and chooses a fast, efficient route to deliver that letter to its recipient. So, BGP is like the best route for we to send the packet to the destination. Second, data wheel hopping between autonomous systems. So next, what is an autonomous system? An autonomous system is the internet. The internet is a network of the networks. Network of the networks, which is this is network. There's a lot of network. It is broken up into hundreds of thousands of smaller networks known as an autonomous system. So, which is it's like there's a lot of network, a big network, and in the network have a smaller network, a lot of smaller networks. How does BGP works? Each router maintains a routing table controlling how packets are directed. In one network, they have a router that contains a routing table for each network. So the routing table will choose the best route for the packet to be sent to the destination. Routing table information generated by BGP process based on information from other routers and routing information base. So for information from other routers, since each router have their own routing table, so the neighbors router will give the information to the router that hold the packet, that hold the mail, so they can tell that which way is the best way to send the packet. And routing information base, or RIB. So here is the example, the simplest example for us to understand how it works. So option 1 and option 2, they have two options here. So AS is autonomous system. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 autonomous system. 1 network, 2 network, 3 network, 4 network, 5 network, and 6 network. So the packet will be sent through autonomous system 1, and the destination will be AS3. So there has two routes, which is AS1, AS2, AS3, and AS1 to AS6, AS5, AS4, and AS3. So BGP will help the packet to be sent in a fast and efficient way. So based on here, the fast and efficient way is AS1, AS2, AS3. They will just go through 3 autonomous system, while for the second route will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 autonomous system, which is more longer than the option 1. So there is two types of BGP: external BGP and internal BGP. Just as the concept of stop and transit, called autonomous system, were introduced in EGP, that pioneering protocol also introduced the concept of the interior and exterior neighbor. That is, if an EGP process pairs with a neighbor in the same AS, the neighbor is interior. If the neighbor is in a different AS, the neighbor is interior. So we can look at this picture. So we can see this is anonymous system 1, anonymous system 2, and anonymous system 3. So for the packet, so we have packet here, and the packet will send to here, the 3. From here to the, from anonymous system 1, okay. So for the anonymous system 1, to go to anonymous system 2, we call it external BGP, because from one network to another network we use external BGP, while the second one, in anonymous system 2, we have IBGP. Why? Because in the small network, in the anonymous system, in the one network, they have another router that nearest to the way to send the packet, the destination of the packet. So if the packet sent within the same network, there will be used internal BGP. And internal BGP. Another example, if this is AS1 and at AS2 have 3, and here AS3, AS1, AS2, AS3. Okay, if this happen, from AS1 to AS2 is internal BGP because different network. But if this happen inside the AS2, this to the packet from here to here, or here to here, here to here, we call it as IBGP because it happened within the network. And here to here, still eBGP. So that's all from me. Thank you.